Well, here's that infamous diner carpet again. This time I'm gonna OP it. Probably the first time I've used an oscillating pad system on a restaurant carpet. It's only been a couple months. They wanted it done a little cheaper than the hot water extraction. So here we go. I'm spraying it with some Top Spot. Extreme heavy duty water-based degreaser. Hitting all the jellies, condiments, grease, maple syrup, coffee, all the typical diner spills. Giving a little pre-soak. I'm only doing about maybe up to like 150 feet at a time here, pre-spraying, don't want it to dry out. So next I'm going to put that blue-gray 3M fiber pad under the Trinity Phoenix. Give it a good scrub, break everything loose. And as you can see, they prepared well for me. They got all the furniture out of the way. And geez, I think I did the whole place today with 3.5 gallons of solution. So here's a whole pot of coffee that got spilt maybe a week or so ago. I was hitting it first with 40 volume peroxide, giving it a good soak. Who knows what they did to it, but whatever they did, didn't do much. And then I'm putting some of the Top Spot on there as well, help break down the sugars and whatever else is stuck to there. So I let that sit for a while. And then I went around with the spotter and hit all the other condiment spots before using the blue-gray 3M in there. Break it up again. And I'm going to do a little experiment here, and I'm going to soak the pads as they get used up in a couple gallons of water, just to show you at the end what the water looks like. So here I'm coming at that coffee spot, spraying PadCap Pro, 2 ounces per gallon, and I threw a little bit of Top Spot in there just for the heck of it. And looky there, pretty darn good. But overall, I was very pleased with the results. Looked, geez, pretty much to everybody's eyes, as good as if I had hot water extracted it. Normally it takes me 4.5 to 5 hours to hot water extract this place. I OP'd it in about 2 hours and 45 minutes. I'll stop by maybe in a week or so and check out how it dried up and how it's lasting. But there you can see where I stopped on the little hallway. And this is after I padded it with the microfibers. And if you look back to that first video, you can see how nice and clean that looks. And what do we got here? This is the main entry, which they haven't been doing much counter service, so that little area there doesn't get so bad. It's normally horrible. But they're spacing out tables, as most restaurants are here in northern Nevada. But there you go. Looks pretty darn good. Just a couple of little goofy spots here and there that, boy, if Top Spot didn't get them out, I think scissors are about the only thing that's going to work. But yeah, I was real happy with it. Like I said, under 3 hours. And I was able to charge them $150 less than when I hot water extract it. So we'll see if they call me back sooner this time, or if, like they do on their other restaurants, just end up ripping it all out. Oh, almost forgot to show you the dirty mop water. So I ended up using about 9 pads, almost all blue microfibers, a couple of cottons in the worst areas. But yeah, tell me that doesn't look like truck mount water. You could not see the bottom. That's without a whole lot of steering, and I'm sure there's still plenty of dirt in there. And they're going through the wash right now as I speak, and I'm sure the water's just mud. But whenever you talk about low moisture and you ask where'd the dirt go, well, there's some of it, a whole lot of it.